Hello. This is Poonam Shukla, and this is my eighth WebTech Lab experiment, and this is based on database connection and cookies. And here we have to make one login page, and we have to after logging it, if the user wants to, first of all, I'm creating one database name registration, and then I'm giving my table name user, and I'm making three table column username, password, and email and after that uh, yeah I'm making and yeah I first I'm asking my user to if they want to register it there. I have one form over there, and if they want to, and on that form it will show. I'm going to show you how they want it to look. So in my experiment they wanted a sign up page, and here they want list of people register on that same page, and then they want login page. If that user is already present in a database, so it will directly just log in. And and in my and then the third fourth of part is we have to reset password. If user wants to reset its password, so he can register reset it. And for that we have an option. And yeah, and then cookies is just basically, so from that it will identify the user, so and it will keep them login for whatever time they want to. And for that even we have a link called keep me log we'll check. If we'll check that link, then it will keep the username it will store in a backend. So now I'm going to explain you my code. So this is my code. So first I have my registration register uh, page. Okay, register page. So if the user is new to that database, he'll register, or they'll register their name. So for that, for connecting it to for MySQL like database, if you want to PHP connectivity to database, it's it's called PL MySQL, and we for connected to database we have MySQL I select database. And for MySQL I connect, we have to give host, what type of host is localhost or localhost. And then username, we have to give username. That's my, I have already defined everything. Password, database name is, it's in PHP. So yeah, this is my database. So yeah, this is my database. So the name is, table name is 0 as a user, and registration, it's my database name. And so I have given everything. And then database connectivity, and here I'm selecting everything for my user table, saving it my query, and the result, I'm executing the result with connection same object and query. And if my row num, it's fetching from the database result, I'm just when I'm seeing it, passing it the result. If it's greater than when, then it will fetch an array until means it will collect everything in an array and show it the user. It will show the username here. So now I'm going to show you. I'm going to run this page here, registration page. So this is my registration page. So here you can see the people who have already registered for it. And now I'm going to register new person. And if I want to register some name, I'll give a name. Okay, I'm giving one name, and email for that person. It's just showing it called if inserted. So if I'll insert anything, so it will directly show inserted successfully your email and name, sorry, your name, and then your username will shown here. And now uh, yeah, this was my registration page. So now I'll come to my, and for registration page, whatever it's for inserting it, this is the query for inserting everything. So as the last I did for database connectivity, and this is, I'm taking my name. So for inserting, I have given inserting use it will check, and this is for if the user is already present in the database. So it will check, it will select from name, it will check with the name, and if I'm saving a duplicate result, if it executes it, and if that result is already present in the database, if then the username is already present. Then I'm going to show you this thing. So I'll show you this thing. Sorry, I went the wrong file. Yeah, a registration page. So registration page, and yeah, I'm going to my registration page now. So this thing, this is already present. So email, password. So yeah, see that name is already present in my database. That's why it's showing username is already present. It's available, and here that's how here it's inserting day, name, password, email, and then encryption. I'm using for encryption. I'm using SHA-1, so it's encrypting the password, and then and I'm it's by this query insert into username. I'm inserting everything, and then it will. That's why you have seen it inserted successfully, and the name and the username. And now if I want to log in, if that person is already present, so why would we go to registration page? It will go directly to my login page. And if I'm running my login page, so three, you can see login page is also there. If you this is for cookie, and this is if you want to reset your password, you have forgotten it and you have to reset your password. And if you click on not a member, then you'll directly go to sign up page. Then you here you can register and add your name. So I'll run my file again. Yeah, so this is my login page. Okay, so like I've already, okay, I'm taking one thing, John, and I'm seeing if password is a, yeah, see. So I, because now that person was already present in the database, that's why it's showing great, you have a login successfully. And Jon Snow, you will be signed in for 1 hour. You will sign on for that. That's showing because that's showing because I have keep me signed in. That's why if I take it, then it will keep me login for an hour. Okay, and if it's I'm not giving keep me sign in, this is the use of cookie. I'm going to show you later the code. And if I'm giving password, see, only the name will be given, not the cookie thing is not working because I have unchecked the keep me logins thing. So it will just using it means this thing only should be shown, seen. And yeah, if this stuff is from, if you're not filling a password, one single password, then it will show you are not completed. If you are not filling the text field password, then this thing will shown. And post we use for carrying the data from one page to another page. And this is I have used it for inserting into passwords and header. I have used a header location home page. So that's my home page where it's showing you have registered it. This is my home page, and here it register everything. And this sorry. Huh. Here I have used means I have given two name. I'm taking my password and user, and if I'm checking if it's same to the present in a database, and if password is same, then it will go to my home page location. So this is syntax. First we have to give header location and the PHP name, file name. So it will go directly here. That's how it was showing there. And this is my cookie stuff, cookie thing. That's how I'm cooking using cookie. I'm using password. And if I'm pressing the submit button, then I'm submit. So if it's empty means cookie, and this is the key C1, and C1 is the name for the cookie, keep me login, where I have created that button, check button. And I'm setting the cookie, this is my cookie name. And then password, I'm taking password uh, with that I'm checking. And then for this is the time function for how many times we have, means for how long we want to be there. So this is time function 16 to 60 minute and 1 hour. So you will be signed for 1 hour. And so this was my 8th WebTech Lab experiment. Thank you.